Oh, sorry. We have our microwave save play. Okay. They say always listen to the instructions. Wegmans New England clam chowder. That's fine, we don't need to take the entire lid off. Here we go. You can't knock me. I followed the directions. Okay, let's reread the directions. Peel film, blaze container. I didn't listen to the instructions. Well, who cares? It's too late to go back anyways. And we're supposed to cover this thing in a paper towel. I don't think, no, I don't think. Oh, no. Okay, let's put this in the micro. We have it on for 1.5 minutes. I'm keeping this lid. This is amazing.